we're looking at what children have been up to for the month and what they've been creating. So it's been really inspiring as children have been finishing off their competition images of submitting it to the Artists Royal Academy in London. And then on top of that, we started looking into eyes, specifically how we've been taking our projects. We've been drawing still life of glass and looking a bit deeper into glass, and then creating what we call cast shadows within eyes. And now we are starting to work on actual technical color mixing, so children are not left to just go and just mix with blues. They really explain the science behind it, so it's quite a scientific lesson, and they have had absolute fun in this, where they're learning so much about it. We're separating and doing specific color types so that the children can really grasp and understand that if they only have blue, what other colors can be golden to actually help them create those darker colors that they're trying to achieve, and especially those realistic colors that they're trying to mix and apply.